Hi, I'm Pete from Magic, and I'd like to showcase the MSH 2002 Ego multi-trim tool system. So we have the PH 100 power head, we have the line trimmer, we have the long reach pruner, we have the articulated hedge cutter and the lawn edging tool. And it comes with a 5 amp Ego battery and a rapid charger. You can see here, this takes the slot for the battery. Very easy to pop in. That's the battery in. Look how easy it is to put each attachment in. Just line them up and they're in. Line trimmer. This is your typical trimmer line with a 2.4 line. We can also put the blade, which comes with it, with that. So we've got a brush cutter and a trimmer in that attachment. The pole pruner is a 25 centimetre 10-inch saw. It has an oil bath here to lubricate the blade. The hedge cutter here is able to be moved, so we can take the top of the hedge or the side of the hedge, or move away from the hedge to get a better cut. And the lawn edge trimmer is great for tidying up the edges of your lawn. Let's consider some run times with the Multitool here using the 5 amp battery. The line trimmer, approximate run time 45 minutes. The hedge cutter, approximate run time 80 minutes. The pole saw, 140 cuts, and the lawn edger, 60 minutes. Then consider that with this battery in the rapid charger, we can recharge this to full capacity in as little as 40 minutes. If you buy the Ego multi-trim system, gone are the days when you buy 5 litres of fuel from the garage, put 100 ml of 2-stroke oil in the can, and today with E5 and E10 fuel, you've also got to consider putting in a fuel stabiliser in as well, so that the fuel doesn't go off. That's faff. Just charge it and put it in the machine and go. The power head PH100 and the accessories all come with a 5-year warranty. The battery comes with a 3-year warranty. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like.